here to make the announcement for the first knife that we're presenting to you in our Liberty and Freedom series of knives that we're doing this year. Remember, we're doing 5 different models, all with iconic American hardwood handles. And the first one up is the All American with oak handles. This is the custom version. It's got the thick titanium liners, polished. It's got my Specware logo on the back of the blade, since these are handmade and hand ground. In this same run is the production version of the wooden handles. Extremely limited amount of these. And I use the term production loosely because, if you saw all the handwork that has to go on to making even this production version with the wood handles, most people would end up calling it a custom knife. And in the same run is the G10 handled version with our American flag engraved into the blade. So this is the first one up. I know you're going to love it. It's one of my favorite knives, and let's celebrate this wonderful birthday that we're having for our country. Started off with the All American knife from Emerson Knives. I know you're going to love them.